Hello. Today I want to show you how to easily edit your digital business cards using the L-Card Pro web app. Start by logging into your account from the L-Card website. Under the Login tab, select Pro Login and navigate to the My Cards folder to view all your personal cards. If there's only one card, it will appear on automatically. Click the three-dot drop-down menu under the card. Select the Edit Card option and make your desired changes. You can customize the style, weight, color, and size of fonts, and even drag and drop text to your preferred location. Once you're happy with your edits, simply click the Save and Next button to save your card and move on to the card URL page. Edit the desired sections individually, and when done, click the green Publish button. If all is set, feel free to skip that step since your card is already live. If you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us via email at support@lcardapp.com or live chat. Thanks for watching.